I am Teacher Casey, and welcome to ESL with the Gypsy Soul. I like to share tips and tricks about how to help teachers either get started with teaching online or just general tips that can help them through their teaching. So, in this video, I'm going to share about my first week in Outschool. It's on Would You Rather questions. So, these questions they're over a variety of different things like holidays, food, abilities, and places they would live, and different things. So, I know that kids love Would You Rather, and so do I. Maybe I'm a big kid, but I really enjoy it. So I'm very excited to share with you my first course over the week. So I've taught the one section, the one class, in different days and different times. So I just want to share all about that with you today. All right, let's jump in. So I'm going to show you my course right now. So exciting and fun Would You Rather questions. And you can see there's a little bit of a description, as well as I've gotten 5 reviews for the class and they've all been 5 stars. And I know sometimes you can get a really good review and then they might give you 4 stars. So either way, regardless of what kind of review you get, don't worry too much about it, because you'll get some good ones and then you might get some ones that aren't the greatest. But hey, you are an awesome teacher and that's all that matters. So some other things are, this class is 40 minutes right now, and I have 2 to 9 kids. And it used to be 2 to 6. So for a lot of the classes that I had this week, they were just at 6 capacity, and some of them were actually full. So that's really exciting. Now I have it at ages 8 to 10, and I did actually have a 5-year-old, so that was fun. His mom was there on the side though, and he really did a great job, so that was really cool. And then right now it's at $7 per learner, and that is low. So for my first class, I just kind of wanted to see how it would go. And I did have another teacher suggest that I put it at least $10. So I think I'm going to raise it to 10 and then make it so it's 50 minutes long, because then we could get another question or two in there anyways, and yeah, so that'll be cool. And you can see here I've got my available times, and it tells you the students that are enrolled, the number that's enrolled. So that's really cool. So you can see they can request another time that doesn't work for them, and there's a description with my class experience, and I just have a little example of what they can expect, and I have an explanation of what we'll be doing, analyzing our answers and contemplating the options that they have when answering questions. So that's all there. So one of the parents' reviews was talking about how kids say just the funniest things sometimes, and that's so true. I found that out. I don't have kids, but just being in classes like this, it's so fun to let their imaginations run wild. So that's so cool. And then I've gotten several others saying how it's really great getting to have their kids answer some fun and kind of difficult would you rather questions, because they don't really get to do that too often. So it's a fun little way to break up their day for sure. So I'm going to give you just a little glimpse of what my class is about. So would you rather questions are exciting, and you have 2 options and you have to choose one. Usually they can be a little bit more challenging, and sometimes they just make you think. So yeah, let's jump on in and have a look. All right, so here it is. So the first slide, I like to do a little decision making and just talk to them a little bit about critical thinking and how to think outside of the box, and just ways that we can make one choice over the other choice. So I just like to think of the pros and cons for each one. And then, if they hear like a good argument for one of them, they may want to switch their answer. And several have before, but usually they stick to their answers. So then I just have some random questions like, would you rather only be able to eat your favorite food every day or never be able to eat your favorite food ever again? So wow, that's such a tough question. Or would you rather be the king or queen of another country or be the president? I've had some pretty interesting answers to that one. Ooh, and I like this one. Would you rather ride on an invisible roller coaster or ride on an invisible water slide? So fun, right? Of course, you wouldn't be able to see them, but just to give them a nice little visual, That's what I'm going for. So that's how my first class went. That was really cool, and I'm so happy to share with you. And if you are new to Outschool as a parent and your student, your child, then you can join. I will leave a link below that you can join with, and then you get $20 for free. There's no catch. Just join and enjoy some classes. So you get $20 credit. So it might not be even, but anyways, that's really nice that you get that. So who doesn't like free stuff? And if your child is interested in taking really exciting classes, like I saw math with Super Mario, or there was a Stranger Things, I've seen like escape rooms and a lot of Harry Potter themed classes. So there is really something for everybody. If your child wants to learn a musical instrument, they have a lot of music classes on there as well. So, or just to keep practicing music. I know this summer, or anytime really, it's great to just get into it and enjoy some really awesome classes that you know your child will really like. So I know it's great, especially if your child can't do any summer camps or anything like that. And it's awesome. It's a great alternative. So I will leave that link below. Again, you get $20 for free. And if you have any questions at all, please comment below, or any comments or just anything in general. Or if you want to share how your first classes went, then I would love to hear about it. So anything at all, comment and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Have a great week.
And don't forget to check out my other social media accounts.